basically chess horsing it. And that gives me these 3 blocks, which will give me this nice full 100% coverage. I may try doing A star at one point, some sort of nice mining algorithm, but this is simple. And sometimes all you need is simple. I'm just gonna get a nice little forest going on here. So let's do that. Alright. So, I do like that you can just remove these now. Yeah. Anyways, what I need to do is VV, and then I'm going to do %, and then I'm going to call this mine.lua. And then what's going to go in here is local refill equals require ice basic utils like this refuel. I could just call, like, I could just make this different, but I like calling the refill. Like, I could do is I could just do this, right? And I could call this util, and then go at the end here and get rid of this, the star, and $sign. I could just do util.refuel like that, and not have this upper one. But I don't know, I just like this better. Just a personal preference for this. I'm going to have a ignore list. This is going to be a list of blocks that it will not mine. So we want to do, I guess, local ignore list and then an array. Just like that. It's going to ignore these blocks when looking at the faces. So then we need to make a function that will look at each of the faces. It'll, I guess first we can write the function that's going to make it move. So here we're going to have a while loop, while dig, turtle.dig down, do end, refuel, and then yes, we also need to keep track of the height, so height equals 0, local, and do turtle.down. This height is going to be 2, because what we're going to do is we're going to do refuel turtle.dig down, and then turtle.down. I'm going to do this twice, just so we go 2 blocks below the surface when we start this, and then after we're done with this, what we're going to do is we're going to do for I equals 0 through height, do end refuel turtle.up. And also when we get down here, we're going to do print, and we're going to print depth, and also we're going to rename this height to depth. Depth. This is how low we're going. Do depth and then depth like that. And then just go to this depth. I'm still kind of new to Vim. We do check faces. We'll just call it that. And up here we're gonna have a function. It's gonna be check faces. It's not gonna take any input. I could pass in the ignore list if I really wanted to do that. Kind of C-like, but no. For v I and I pairs of ignore list. This is just how I know how to do it. So we're looping through the ignore list. If wait, hang on, we need to get info equals turtle.inspect. So, and then this local, and do inspect dot name, I think. I'll figure it out after in a minute. If inspect name, if I use inspect name, then we say do dig equals. I don't know why I'm doing like this. I need to do true j and undefined field name. That's fine. I think it's bool. Okay. Is it this then? Name. Okay, yeah, cool. I don't know why I'm calling it like a function. And then we do at the end if do dig equals true, then dig. Alright, so what I've done here is I'm saying we're gonna dig, right? I'm just sending a boolean, gonna dig. We're looping through the ignore list. There's probably a better way of doing this, but it's just the way I know. Looping through the list of the ignore list that's defined up here, and then we say if at any point the thing we're inspecting is on the do list on this for loop, we're setting dig to false. Then at the end here we say if we are going to dig, dig. Now this only inspects one block. So what I need to do now is for face, why not, equals 0 through 3. I believe this may be wrong, and I'm just gonna boop this local. And then at the end of our loop here, we're going to do turtle.turn right. And that should do that. So now we're looking at each of the faces. And that should do all of it. I just gotta make sure I'm inspecting correctly. So back to the turtle, I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna do lua turtle.inspect. It first returns a boolean, then it returns this. We got name right there, easy peasy. As even a lit state, cool. That's lit. That should be it. Or I probably severely fucked something up. So what I'm going to do is just to test this, we're going to say, oh, right, height equals height plus 1. And then, oh, sorry, depth. Then here we're going to say, just temporarily, if depth is greater than 5, then break. And can I like get rid of the then in words? Okay. Right. So this is gonna do is we're only gonna go 5 blocks down and then break out of this loop, and it should come back up. Right. So then I'm gonna put fuel here. I'm gonna put a block here. This will be used later. Alright. So then I'm gonna break you. Come with me. And we'll test this. I'm definitely going to mess something up. We'll install chow/mine.lua and s, and then we'll do mine. Of course. Unexpected thing. There we go. Do. Mine do I. So it goes down, and then it goes this, 2, 3, 4, and then return, and inspects all of them. It's faster than when I did it on my server. Okay. Okay, that is one block too high. So then we start at 1 instead, and then we do turtle.select 1, turtle.place down. Okay. Do arm mine I G down, and then we will run. Oh, I believe it refueled all. Okay. Edit ice space utils. Nope, it's refueling 1. Okay, cool. Actually, I should put all this in here, and we will do my, just to make sure oh, why did that happen? Oh, it couldn't dig it down anymore. Okay. What I actually should do is, instead of this, we do refuel. Instead of dig down, we say, well, we can move down. So if this returns false when it tries to move down, it will stop. And refuel, turtle.dig down. We go down, we refuel, we dig down, because why not? Actually, we'll do this at the end. Just like that. Depth equals depth plus 1. We'll just do that first, because why not? Dig down, then we refuel, and then it goes down. Okay, cool. Do arm mine, and then we do I mine. And this seems to be working. Now we are wasting quite a bit of, hello virtual. I'm wasting quite a bit of fuel with this script. Oh. Why did it place that? I'm a bit confused. Oh wait, no, hang on, that's why. There you go. Here, put that at the end when it's done. No, at the WD. See here, I need to pull up my Twitch chat. It's going good. I'm just playing some Minecraft late at 1 AM. Right. So there's a bit of efficiency bad with this script as it goes down, it does all of its digging, and then it comes straight back up. And on that trip back up, it's not mining anything, and that's just a waste of fuel. So it would be better if it goes all the way down, reaches bedrock, and then goes up like 5 or 6 blocks, and then goes to its next mining location, and then comes back up. And it does mining on its way back up. So, yeah. For now, this will be fine. Let's do arm mine, I mine, and then mine. I mine. I shall /mine.lua. I should have just done I and then mine. Now this should work. Right, it went 5 down, it goes up, and it places that block. And then just for the sake of convenience, we will go to the next mining location for this. Just for now. And we can also get rid of this. I know it works. Then in here, refuel 0. How much do we have? 600 blocks that we can move. Too much. And here, what I'm going to do is do refuel turtle.org twice. I'll go ahead and do this every move because why not? And then turtle.turn right, turtle.forward, turtle.turn left. Yeah. And that should put me at the next location. And there's my mining script. are mine. Mine. And good luck, buddy. I'm just gonna... 7 ought to be enough. I mean, you already have 600 blocks in you. Will it go through water and lava, or does that cause a problem? Same for caves and whatnot. I just fell in the hole. God damn it. Uh-oh. Go up 5. Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't. Okay, go up 3. Alright, it will go, as far as I know, it will go through water and lava. It doesn't just go through blocks, it'll have to dig. Caves, it currently is set to where it'll, if it can no longer go down, it'll go down, right? It'll dig, and it'll do its thing, and then it'll try to go down again. If it can't go down, its assumption is that it's reached bedrock, and then it'll go back up. One thing that I could do to make this safer, for instance, if I come across gravel, constantly dig up. Oh, no, if I'm going down, I'm gonna break the gravel. On the way up, though, that might be a bit dangerous. If I go to a different location and come up. So, yeah. Anyways. Let me run mine again. And this time, let's try not to fall into the hole. Oh, it found something. I just heard it dig. Oh, it's finding gravel. Ooh, I gotta put that on the ignore list. Okay. And that might be useful for now, but yeah. Let's do P and www and then gravel. Almost found the hole again. Andesite I might want to ignore too. Andesite. A-N-D-E-S. So, site, and also diorite. Diorite. So that's D-I-O-R-I-T-E. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh shit. So yeah, definitely one thing I kind of want to. It's one thing I kind of want to do, which I probably don't need to do, is kind of connect them through a computer and allow remote controlling from a different computer. And basically, if he breaks out of his current program for whatever reason, he will go into a fallback state where it'll just allow me to remote control him, and it'll tell me where he is. I'll set up a GPS as well. So what is the problem with it and caves? There's no problem. It just won't mine anything because there's air. It'll just like look at each of the side faces, not see anything, and not mine anything. Well, actually, I think it'll attempt to mine air, but nothing will happen, so... Yeah, he's gone so far I can't see him anymore, but if we look at it for a second, you can see the block face change, and that means he broke a block. Okay, we're going underground now. I don't want to go inside. Jimmy's mom. Okay, one thing I definitely need to get in order is food. So, I'm probably going to do a tree farm and just do apples for food. Maybe. Possibly. And I hear a zombie outside. Alright, I guess I can make a couple of torches. I was figuring it decided. Oh, I figured decided. Okay, I figured out it decided that it couldn't mine the air below it and come back to the surface. Yeah, that's because on the for loop here, I'm saying while the turtle can move down, it'll run these functions. I'm not detecting if the turtle can dig down, I'm detecting if the turtle can move down. So long as it can move down, it will continue. And then the check faces function is just it 3 times it'll set a variable to true, do dig, loop through the ignore list. If it is on the ignore list, we set it to false. I set this to false. And then if we are digging, we dig, and then we turn right. It does it 3 times. Then after that, it does its thing. It digs down, it refuels, then it goes down. Of course, if it can't mine bedrock, it will no longer be able to move down. I'm gonna make an axe. I thought I had some stone. I don't have any stone. I'm going to punch him. Just gonna punch him. Oh yeah, so this is just a zombie. I have a texture pack that replaces zombies with furries. No, he's on his way back up. Look at him. Alright, cool. He does that, and then he goes to the next spot. Lovely. I got copper. Wow, so useful. Much love. Much wow. Very wow. Wow of much. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have you mine again. Oh. What the fuck? Huh? Go back to right turn, back left turn. G D down. No, hang on. G dig down. Okay. Why did you do that? I think because of the way I looped it, I need to not do that. I just need to dig down. Right? Yes. Okay. That's why. And then also I have those new lists, so I needed to re-update this script anyway. So mine. There we go. That ought to fix it now. Yay. Iron! I got iron. Okay. Come on. I can't fucking... Darn it! I want that iron. It's only 2. Okay, go up 3. Okay, good. Go up. Good. Go up. 2. Go right turn. And then give me that. Mine. Okay. I feel like that'd be a waste. So all I'm gonna do is put one in, and then after it mines all that, I'll put in the copper, just to smelt the copper. Kind of a waste of charcoal. Acquire hardware. Brr. Anyways, axe. Pickaxe, just in case something weird happens. And then... yeah. That's gonna take a while. Oh, yeah, I need to... Anyways, so how's your day? What is my favorite song at the moment? Favorite song has to be Space Cadet Pinball by DA Games. I forget what the song name is. I'm gonna pull it up here. It's Space Cadet Pinball. Pinball metal, basically. Yeah, know your place, DA Games. Space Cadet Pinball. Yeah, it's really good. I guess also Star Founder is some of the music I like. Another one I've been listening to, sort of on and off. I haven't really been listening to music that often. I guess, yeah, I could get a farm going. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do stick hoe. I don't know if you can hoe with turtles. Take a look. Probably can. Should also do chest. Let's get a chest going. 2 of them. And these trees are gonna be moved soon, inevitably. I'm gonna go ahead and edit my custom G script. Let's see here, what do I have? Yeah, G.Lua. And what I'm going to do is copy this, paste it, place with P. Turtle dot place. Place up. Place down. Okay, cool. Doesn't OBS have like a screen key thing? I think it does. Show the keys I'm pressing. I don't know. Hey, Virtual, do you want to see something funny? Fair enough. I've been getting back into my. Give me a follow. It does a funny. I'm getting back. Stupendum groove. Okay. I freaking love that clip. Oh, and I've reached bedrock down there. He's on his way back up now. Maybe I found something good. I see several blocks that have been dug out. So maybe something good. Probably just copper, to be honest. I found iron here and here, so my next spot I'm actually going to do is right here. Apologies, I had to go find the name of the song. I've been headbanging to the call to find print. Oh, it went too high for some reason. Okay. Wonder why that happened. Go back. 4. Oh, 2. Go left turn, dig down. Oh. The fuck? Oh. Go up, forward, dig down. Oh, G, dig down. Go down. G down. RMG.Lua. I shall for G.Lua. GB down. Yes. I have 1 iron. And we'll do some trees. Let's go here. Here. Tree. The tree script is pretty simple. It is literally just loading my refuel. It's doing dig. It's refueling. It's moving forward. What the... Okay. A tree just grew and punched me by growing. Alrighty then. Anyways, it's doing dig. It's refueling. It's moving forward. And it's got a height. It's digging up. It's refueling. Or it's, while it can dig up, it's refueling. It's going up. And then, you know, while it can dig up, it'll dig up. Or you'll feel it'll move up, it'll increase the height, and then it'll go down by the height, and then yeah. Pretty simple script. Back, right turn, forward, 3. Oh, there's only 2. Okay, tree. Put that there. Go back. I'm gonna edit my tree script to do refuel. Back. This refuel doesn't actually refuel. It just, what it actually does is I'll go into here. Is it says if the fuel is less than 10, it'll select 16 and then refuel 1. So it's really checking if the fuel, if it needs to refuel. It's not actually refueling. That'd be a complete waste of fuel. Or yeah, cool. Could you get it to refuel itself with the coal it mines? Yeah, I believe that's what it does do. I'm not sure, but I think it will. If it picks something up, it'll put it. Like charcoal, it'll put it on there. I could just try getting the list of items and then saying if there's coal or charcoal in the inventory, select the slot that it's in and then refuel. I could do that. Make that a bit better. But currently I just put the fuel on the last slot. I just make sure that I have enough fuel to go down and back up, and then it just selects 16 when it needs to refuel. But yeah, I guess I could do that. Why not? Let's do that. I haven't done that before. Let's do that. We're doing it. Control T. Yep, okay. What I'm going to do is Control E, delete this, V, go back into this, delete array. Right. And of course it's still doing that. Okay. E, that, quit, M, PV, oh, V, ice, 2, okay. There we go. Okay. I just don't want the extra little path on there. I'm going to put this on... I'll keep this at in, because it's not something I'm going to open up very often. Alright. So, what do I need to do? I need to do Lua, and I need to do turtle dot get item detail. Okay, I'm going to have to go through all of these, I think. Let me see here. Let me just go through... Compare down, compare to, compare up. I forget that's a thing. What does detect up do? Down. Okay, that just detects if there's a block. And then inspect will actually get all the stats on that block. Okay. That's cool. It's probably a little bit faster to do detect than it is to do refuel. That's probably why there's 2. Turtle dot select 3, and then turtle dot refuel 1. Okay, so you have to make sure you're on an item. Okay. What's up? What's down? Native. Fuck is native? Okay. What is native? I guess these are just native to the... I don't know. I don't know why that's a thing. Anyways, what I need to do is get item detail. Oh, fucking hell, I don't have a bed.